Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do makeup when you are sick, when you are not feeling well, as I am not feeling well right now. So I'm sorry for my voice. I can't help my voice because my voice is like this bad since 5 days, since 5 days, and like it is better now. It was worse before. So yeah, let's just start with the video, and I'm gonna be telling you few things, like few steps that you can do, and you will look way less sick when you are. So when we are sick, we actually look so dull and tired, and look very lifeless. So yeah, let's just bring life to our faces, and this is a very handy makeup look because it has very minimal steps, because when we are sick we don't want to do a lot because we can't practically, we can't. And so yeah, let's just start with the video. So first I'm going to be using this Smashbox primer. So when we are actually sick, we don't have enough hydration and moisturization to our face. So this product is actually go-to when I need little hydration, because I'm feeling very dry these days. So this gives me very hydration. Although I have used moisturizer before, but I want that extra hydration. That's why this primer is best at it. And after this primer, our eyes tend to look a lot tired. We have dark circles, we have swollen eyes, so we need to fix that eyes. And for that we'll be using concealer. So I'm going to be using this concealer by Maybelline. This concealer is actually very close to my skin tone. So guys, you don't want to use foundations and concealer which are actually light or darker than your skin tone, because it can do the opposite that what you are trying to achieve. So applying the concealer around my eyes and some on my blemishes as well, and I'm just blending this one using my fingers first, and then I'll be using a brush. So like I'm having a cold right now, and I'm having like a sore throat as well. My throat is paining and my eyes are also having like a little headache, and I'm coughing and constantly coughing. So I have to like pause every time this video, just because I'm coughing. Now I'll be using this compact powder by Face Canada. I'll be using this compact to set my face actually. So when you have not applied anything to your face, your compact can do, cover your face. So I was actually not in a mood of recording any videos, but I haven't recorded any videos since like 5 days. So I'll be like, what? 5 days has passed and not film a video? So I usually, film a video at least, twice or thrice in a week. But it's almost a week I have not filmed a video, so that's really not me. So that's why I need to get up and need to film no matter what. So that's because I am here and I'm filming, and the topic of this video was very random. Like I was thinking since morning, like in what topic fits today, but nothing comes off in mind. But so I was like, okay, let's film about my sickness. Let's just film about this thing, like when you're sick and you want to feel a little great. So you want your face to look a little not sick, you want to look like a person, not a dying cat. So this makeup look can relate to you. The whole situation can relate to you, even if you're sick. So yeah. So after I applied compact, my face looking a little better, thankfully. So we'll focus on the eyes right now, because we have to focus on our eyes. What I'm saying. So I'll be using the Kalaba eyeshadow palette. This has very neutral shades. I'm using this palette after so long time, and I'm gonna be do like a very minimal eye makeup look, like very less. So I'll be taking up this gray eyeshadow right over here, and apply it all over my eyes, and then I'll take a lighter color and just apply it to the inner side and inner lid as well, and on the outer side I'll be using this gray color. See, I'm talking about this. We're now using this silverish color. It's not actually silver, it's like having very like a slight golden hint. So I'll be using to like half of my lid, like inner portion on my lid, and I'll be using this with my fingers because best to apply these kind of shades using fingers. Also, eyeshadow was not actually required. Only kajal can do thing to your face, but I was like, let's go a little extra. So, but eyeshadow thing is completely optional. If you don't want to do it, just don't do it. And after that, I'll be applying this kajal. This is from Maybelline. It's like a brown kajal, and it's gonna be give some life to my eyes, so that my eyes will not look tired and very dull anymore. So yeah, as you can see, something is going well. I'll be skipping eyeliner for now because I don't feel like applying liner. So I'll be using this Mion mascara. This is the Mion Volume Waterproof Mascara. And this mascara is actually very great. I don't use it a lot because I have the Maybelline ones. But this mascara is actually very great and affordable and very underrated as well. So I'll be using this mascara and skip the eyeliner, which I don't usually do. I usually skip my kajal and apply eyeliner every time. But okay. Eyes are done, and to revive your face, I'll be using a blush from Savannah Colors Ultra Blush Palette. Ultime is for faces and all. So I'll be using this colors, like very coral and very neutral blush. So dusting off the extra, and I'll be applying the blush to the apple of my cheeks for some color, and also to make our face to look fresher and better. After that, I'll be applying highlighter, of course, using same highlighter from the same palette. And make sure to not apply a lot of highlighter because the makeup look is very subtle. So yeah, just keep everything very minimalistic. And applying very less highlighter for the first time, I think, because I actually apply a lot of highlighter, but this time I won't. Just a little to give some life to your face. And yep, that's it. A little goes a long way actually. So after that, our makeup look is almost finished and only lipstick is left. So I'm applying this lip colors from Maybelline, and this is the shade Clay Crush. This is a very nude color, like this. So it's a very neutral color lipstick, and this color can sometimes wash your face for like medium to dusky skin tone, but for fair skin it is fine. So the reason why I'm not using a liquid lipstick, because liquid lipstick can be drying sometime, and my lips are very dry right now. Like in the morning it was bleeding, so that's why I'm not applying a bullet lipstick. I'm not applying a liquid lipstick, that's the only reason. So yeah, I'm done. And if you want want to apply gloss, like I'm applying a gloss right now. It's totally optional. If you want, you can apply some gloss on the center of your lips, like this. You know, gloss makes everything look put together and beautiful. So yeah, just in center of the lips, and that's it. You are done. And that's it, you guys. This makeup look can make your skin, make you look better when you are sick, and nobody can actually tell that are you sick. So yeah, actually makeup makes me feel better. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. And I can't speak very loudly because my throat is hurting badly. So yeah, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. And I hope you like the concept and everything. So yeah, bye bye.